Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. All of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent links, so it's really easy to find. I'll have two additional links called Tools and Tools Continued. Both of those links are going to take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest, so a lot of really cool items on there for you guys to check out. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing. Let's go ahead and get into this. The first item up we're looking at is the Engineer PZ61. And this is a pair that I actually found from Vampire Tools maybe a month or two ago. And it must have been a brand new set because I hadn't seen them before. There weren't really any reviews on them. They were a little bit pricey, but if you guys know, Vampire Tools is actually made by Engineer. It's the exact same thing. They just come with a red handle. It's the US based brand for Engineer. They are Japan made pliers. They have screw extraction, and this one has a dual color coded handle design, which you don't see on any of the others. But this is also a multifunctional set of pliers, where all the other ones are, you got your slip joints with screw extraction, or you got lineman pliers with screw extraction. This one is multi-use. So a lot of different features on these pliers. You can see you got a cutter, you got a crimper at the back behind the joint. And the reason I'm mentioning this is because the Engineer pliers are typically cheaper than the Vam pliers or the Vampire Tools pliers, because the Vampire Tools carry a 2 to 4 year warranty, something like that, a very short warranty, but you pay basically $5 to $15 more for the same set of pliers for that warranty. You can buy directly from the Engineer brand, get the exact same thing, you're just not getting the warranty. But honestly, I've had 6 pairs, never had to warranty them. They've held up really well, so I wouldn't be afraid to buy the Engineer pliers. And they all have the screw extraction, which is fantastic, but that's not just what the pliers are for. They still have their main function as well. There you can see the screw extraction. You can't see the teeth in that picture, but you got like a straight jaw, slight open jaw. You can use these for bending wires, grabbing small pipes, wires. You have a, say, medium-sized open jaw. There you can see the vertical and horizontal teeth up in the nose. I've been very impressed with both my Engineer and Vam pliers. Just great tools. But this one is the Vampire Tools version of this is $39 or $40. This one is $34. So a little bit of savings on this if you go with the Engineer over the Vampire Tools. 4.6 stars, 42 ratings. Next up, we are looking at the Klein Tools Connect Deep Well Impact Socket Set. And I mentioned this one a few weeks ago now, because I had never seen this one before. And I'm really glad we're starting to see more Klein tools with more metric included in the sets. And I really like this layout, its functionality, its coverage. I think it's great. This set is $160, but the one we're looking at today is just, well, this one has both shallow and deep, but the one we're looking at today is just deep wells. You get a couple extensions and an adapter for an impact driver. You get both metric and SAE, but they're just in deep well. But it's originally $100 down to $90, so a little bit of savings on that. And the coverage is good as well. It's actually got a little bit more coverage than this larger set. This goes from 5/16 to 3/4, where the set we're looking at goes from 5/16 to 13/16, and then 8 to 19, which is the same coverage for the metric. I like the color coding, but if it's like the Malco, then it's painted and it's probably going to chip off, but it is nice. I do like that the size markings are bright white. There you can see the coverage, 6 point, and they are stamped size markings and then painted in the stamped portion, so that paint is kind of recessed. I like these sets, and anything like pack out related, like the Connect stuff, it's going to be a little bit more expensive than your typical like impact socket sets, but I think we have a really good set here, especially on sale at $90, but please let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 4.8 stars, 32 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Dewalt portable 6-gallon shop vac. This is the wall-mounted version. They do have multiple different ones, but I really like this design. You have your extension cord over here on the side with its own wrap-up, your hose, and everything's kind of self-contained on this wall mount. You can also remove it from the wall mount and take it wherever you need. This little baggie down here hanging off the arm is to hold all the accessories and things like that. And then you also have a wrist strap thing with the remote on it, which is Bluetooth. So when this thing's running, say you're, cleaning the carpet in your car, you're getting done, maybe you're going around picking up some trash or whatnot, you're sick and tired of hearing the shop vac, you can shut it off just by the wrist button. So that is kind of a cool feature, instead of sitting there just letting the shop vac run when you're not necessarily using it the entire time. There are quite a few brands out there that have kind of came out with that design or feature. My buddy has this one and it works really, really well. I have the rigid one. If I didn't have the rigid one, I would definitely consider this one. 5 peak horsepower. It's kind of a gimmicky thing when it comes to shop vacs. There you can see a little bit of information on it if you want to pause. There's the overall design. I think they did a good job on this. A lot of stuff included with this, a couple extensions, nozzles, wands, and this is on sale at $125, down from a list price of $200. But also keep in mind that every once in a while you will actually catch this around $100. So while I think this is a good price, if you are interested in this and you're okay with waiting, you may be able to catch it on a sale, maybe closer to a holiday, around $100. But I think it's a really good option. 4.8 stars, 763 ratings. Next up is the FlexZilla retractable extension cord reel. This is 50 feet. It's a triple tap. And I've had good experiences with FlexZilla stuff, hoses, reels, or cords. I like their stuff, very flexible, kind of in the name. But they have a 25 foot that's 16 gauge. This 50 foot is 14 gauge, and then they have a 60 foot at 12 gauge. The 60 foot 12 gauge one is $122. The one we're looking at is $85, down from $140, which doesn't make any sense. The 60 foot 12 gauge original price is $130 down to $122. This one's $140 down to $85. And then the 25 foot by 16 is $75 down to $60. This typically sells anywhere between $90 and $105, not $140. So it is still good savings off of what it typically sells at. There are cheaper options out there, but I wanted to go with a name brand one that was rated highly and rated a lot. And I have experience with FlexZilla, so I wanted to mention it. This has 4.6 stars, 1,554 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Skil 15 amp 10 inch portable job site table saw. This is a very, very popular table saw. It sells a lot around the holidays, actually all year round, because it's priced so well and the quality of it. A lot of people really enjoy this. If you don't have a table saw and you're looking for one just to have around, just to do miscellaneous jobs here and there, or if you do a lot of work or you plan on doing a lot of work and you don't already have a table saw, this is a really good option depending on what you're going to be working with. Make sure that this is capable of whatever you plan on building. But this is at $289, down from a list price of $330. Very, very popular, really good design, nice and compact when you need it to be, pretty lightweight as well. Rack and pinion fence rails, integrated folding stand, which I really like. You don't have to have them separated. 4x4 cutting capacity, your dust port elbow so you can connect your shop vac to it. Really cool design, really good, reliable table saw at a really good price. And this will sell around the $330 price range. So it is a good sale. It is on this sale fairly often, but it's always worth a mention for those that are in the market for a quality, affordable table saw. This has 4.6 stars, 2,866 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Dewalt 20 volt power stack 2-pack set at $138.50. I looked these up, and these do actually typically sell, I think their full price is actually $200, not $220, but they will sell around $160 a lot of places on sale. So I think this is a really good price. This is a brand new product, not a used, and it ships from Amazon. You ever have worries about it, whatever, you can always send it straight back to Amazon. But I think this is a really good deal if you run the Dewalt lineup and you want to try out some power stack batteries. But I think this is priced really well. They're lightweight, they're compact, they last a long time. So please let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 4.5 stars, 2,549 ratings. Then last up for this week's Amazon tool deals are the 6-piece car detailing brush set. These brushes are phenomenal when you're cleaning, whether you're doing car detailing or just cleaning around the shop or whatever you may be doing, woodworking, whatever, brushes like this can be fantastic. You have 3 different courses of brushes here. I like to use one set for like wheels and more aggressive stuff, then some stuff for harder plastics, and then one like the ones with the purple tips down here. Those are going to be like the ultra soft. Those I like to use on like piano black, like the speedometer clear covers, head units, displays, things like that. It's delicate and prevents scratching, gets rid of all the dust that gets jammed up in corners and cracks and all of that. And just like this picture, they're using a different brush for different things. But this 6-piece set is at $16.53, which is priced really well, down from a list price of basically $24. This has 4.7 stars, 1,434 ratings. So that is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Once again, all of these are linked down in the description for you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.